Again, welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, guys, we finally, guys, hit the TP from GBP guys. Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you can see, we've been killing GBP and you can see how much we made from GBP. Let me show you what happened from here. You can see, guys, I took the trade from this point here, and my team, we took the trade from this point right here, and then I shifted my stop loss at this point just to protect the profit. But I've been waiting to keep swinging this trade, but right now, guys, seems like it's about to to give some details, because if I look at you can see that the market is at this point here, gave us like pullback. It didn't break the previous low, the previous lower low, say, and then it give us another high. You can see here, this is another high, and it comes back at this point, high. But whatever it is, guys, I just want to accompany my account, so I'm going to take my profit, and find some another trade, so as you can see how much we already made, but this is fine, it's cool. All right, so this is how I do it. I need to accompany my account, I need to take my account to another level, then I'll start with the new. So yeah, let's first take the profit, let's first take the profit. Let's first take the profit, and I'll find another trade. Let's see GBP as well, and GBP guys, is about to drop as well, so I prefer to take GBP because GBP it has that big spread. I like it because it has a big spread, so I'm gonna sell this one right now, I'm gonna sell this one, and once I sell this one, guys, I'm going to take my profit at this point here. I'm going to take my profit at this point here, because the reason why I'm going to sell this one, you can see here, look, this is the reason why I'm going to sell this one. It's kind of like, it's kind of like I wanna break the trend line, and as soon as the market break this trend line right here, then I'll go sell, and I'll go sell all the way to this point over here. I'll go sell all the way to this point over here, so I'm expecting something like this from this pair here, so I'm going to take this opportunity now. All right, because I have confirmation candlestick right here says that the market is no longer going on an uptrend. The market is going to drop. If you know, you know. If you know what I mean. This market wasn't supposed to do something like this. It was supposed to show some high. It was supposed to give us this continuation right here, pullback, but this one right here was supposed to be longer than this one. So since this one right here, it's shorter than this one, then we're expecting the market to drop on down. Before you sell the currency, always make sure always make sure you got make sure, check all the details, check everything, so that you won't be like, yo, I didn't do this, I didn't check nicely. You have to make sure you check everything nicely, and then enter. Enter after checking everything nicely. So I'm taking this trade, guys. You know how we do. I'm taking this trade. Francais. Yes, sir. I'm taking these trades. 245. I'm taking these trades. feel what I'm saying? I'm taking these trades. So I'm gonna find somewhere to put my stop loss. I say, you know how we do. If you don't know how to stop loss, to put the stop loss in the market, now you're going to know how to do it. I say, guys, being profitable, guys, is something very, very good thing. I say, because you don't look at the market too much. When you look at the chart will tell you what to do. I say, straight up, your mindset is going to tell you what to do. I say. So team, as you can see that we already take the opportunity. All we need to do right now, we have to get away from the market so that we can be able to control our emotions, because I don't like to be next to the market once I already take the opportunity, because you're gonna have these emotions tells you that, yo, please close the entry, please close the trade. I say, as soon as you enter small profit, you're gonna have that emotions. So in order to control the emotions, you have to get away from the market. So let me get away from the market. I will see you guys later on, so that you can be able to see how much money we made. Give the market like 2 hours or 3 hours, then you can be able to look at the market after 2 hours or 3 hours. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure you like the video, and join free Telegram group, guys. The link is always on the description below. We can do this together. We can trade together and make this money together. So I'm trying to put the stop loss, what I'm saying, so that I might be comfortable even if I'm away from the market, because I know that I will know that I already put the stop loss, what I'm saying. So whatever that is going to happen is not going to affect my account. So peace out, guys. I will see you guys later on. As you can see, I already put the stop loss. So see you soon. Again, welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, guys, we finally, guys, hit the TP from GBP guys. As I said to you guys, the same thing that happened. I say, you can see, guys, we're pushing so crazy, guys. Yo, yeah, this is crazy, bro. This is very crazy, guys. As you can see, everything went smooth, guys, as I said. So right now, guys, I'm going to take my profit, because let me show you from 1 hour time frame. Say, guys, this is what you can make, guys, in our VIP team. Say, so make sure you join our VIP team so that you won't be missing this type of trade. Say, so as you can see, guys, it's about to hit the TP. Our TP is right here, and now the market is right here. So after maybe some like 10 pips, we're going to hit our take profit. Say, so guys, don't miss this opportunity for sure. Trade with us, join the VIP team. Say, let's go make this money, baby, for sure, for sure. Say, no cap. Say, I took this trade, guys, from the beginning, say, to the end, guys. This is the result. You can see 1K in the profit. Say, everything went smooth. So as I said, guys, in the beginning, in the first video, I told you guys, once you already become a profitable, saying, when when you just wake up and look at the chart, all you see is just the money lying on the chart waiting for you to come and fetch it. Say, so it is what it is. Make sure to do the right things. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And what I can just say to you guys is, say, focus on the chart, say, and become profitable, bro. It's crazy, It's crazy, bro. For real, it's crazy, So don't miss the opportunity, bro. If you already joined the industry, it's your time to start making money and change your life. Trust me. Peace out, guys. I just wanted to update you guys what's going on in this trade. But I have another trade which I want to do some analysis with. And guys, I'm sure some of you guys did take this opportunity, because in the first video, the same time I done making the analysis of this trade, is the same time I just uploaded the video, because I wanted to update you guys which trade which I'm about to get in, so that some of you guys who wants to take this free signal from this YouTube channel. They were supposed to take it, you know what I'm saying? And some they did take it, and they did send me some, you know, some result on Telegram. Thank you so much. So peace guys, peace out. You know, I don't care about the profit dropping, you know. So this is just normal. You know, the market moves on high and high lows, but still gonna go crazy on downtrend, you know what I'm saying? I know. So peace out guys, see you on the next video.